Hello, fifth grade scientists. Mr. Miller is back again. After letting this sit, the longer you let it sit, the better off you are. But remember, I'm using very small cups, so I used about 20 minutes. If you have bigger cups, let it go a little longer. It's a little easier to see the results. Now, we've created this, and this basically becomes a model of the water cycle. Okay, we have a cup filled with warm water on our plate, covered by another clear cup, and then we have a cup of cold water on top. Now, I want you to go back through your thinking, your notes of the water cycle, and if this is a model that represents the water cycle, what are the cups representing? Why do I have a clear cover here? What does that represent? What does the plate represent? Now, remember, we have very specific vocabulary. So if I take this off and I look inside my cup, what do you notice about what you see inside this cup? What's this? And why can I do that? What happened? Where did that liquid, and remember, it's all about water, where did it come from? How did it get to the side of this cup? And once it accumulates on the side of the cup, what's going to happen? What is that process called? What happens when we start seeing water on our plate? What's going to happen to that water? Remember, we have very specific vocabulary for the water cycle. So please make sure that you're using that in your description in your science journal. So tell me, why does this represent the water cycle? And if you can, go through the parts, telling me what the bottom cup represents, what this represents, and I'll tell you this represents the atmosphere. And then we had a cup of cold on top, trying to cool the atmosphere. So do the best you can, put it in your science journal, and make sure you share it with your teacher. All right, have a fabulous day.